Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm wearing Invisalign, so that's why I'm talking weird and I look a little bit weird, but I'm trying to be better at wearing them more. That's not the point of the video. So today I thought I would do a workout routine because now that we've been stuck inside for a while and like haven't been able to see people, I've been working out almost like every single day. I used to work out a lot, don't get me wrong, but like I kind of fell off a little bit. A lot of stuff has like happened in my life that just made me feel really bad about myself and not wanting to put care and time into myself because I felt like I wasn't worth it. I don't know. I'm trying this new self-care, self-love thing. So by doing that, I'm gonna show you how I've been working out. And I'm actually super excited following YouTube videos, TikTok videos, like, and you know, it might not be how you're supposed to lose weight, but in my opinion, there's not really a set way on how you have to do things. Personally, I find it more fun to follow people and work out with people and like have fun instead of it being a task and something that you have to do to look good. I put on my workout outfit. If you wear a cute outfit, you'll feel a lot better and you'll actually want to work out. That's why my entire closet is Lululemon. At this point, I'm just chatting, so let's actually go work out. I got my AirPods, Hydro Flask, phone, Fitbit. Those are the essentials, and we're gonna go for a run. I'm filming this part outside because my family is super loud and doesn't care about my YouTube career. So, just kidding. Basically, I'm gonna go for a run. There's like a loop around my house. So I do that loop, and at first I started out with only like 1 kilometer with like walking and running and walking and running, and slowly I've made it up to 4 kilometers. Just so you know, like at the start of this quarantine, I was only doing like 1 kilometer, not even, and I wasn't even running the full thing. Don't feel bad about yourself. You gotta start somewhere, and it's better that you just start and then keep pushing through. Hi. I literally just finished running. I didn't even run that long, but I'm dead. Fun fact, I don't bring my water bottle with me because I feel like it like weighs me down and like it's really awkward to like hold something. Just drink a little bit before I go and then I like chug it when I'm done because it's really important to drink water. Yeah, I still like, everything is so hot. It was freezing outside, so I was wearing like jackets and all that, and then I come inside and it's like so hot and I'm just like, but that is not the end of our routine. We still need to do the actual like workout part because I only said I'm going for a run and then came back 2 seconds later, so yeah. For the actual workout portion, what I normally do is follow videos of people working out, and I'm gonna link down my favorite workouts so far that I've found. Jake Dupree, his workouts are awesome and his sense of humor is like literally mine. I love it. I might follow a TikTok workout because that's what I've been doing recently. Let's do a full body workout because YOLO, right? She said run and then squat kicks. 25. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna put on some music.
Like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pit in my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me
workout. I literally just finished. A really good tip for doing ab workouts to make sure that you're actually engaging your core is every single time you come up, or like the hardest part of the exercise, breathe out. So when I come up, I go in order to actually see results, I think you have to put your mind to it and be a little bit more nice to yourself. Like when I used to run, I used to think like, oh my god, she's prettier than you, like you're so ugly, like no one's gonna like you, so you better run, like keep running, which is so mean. Like why would you say that to yourself? So I've been starting to, like, when I'm running, be like, you got this, you're beautiful. Like I sound like a psychopath, but it's true. That's like what I tell myself, I guess. The final tip that I'm gonna say, which I think has helped me the most, is your mind quits before your body quits. Because your mind, when things get hard, likes to give up sometimes. So it'll be like, oh my god, I can't do this anymore, like I can't keep running. But pushing through those mental barriers is what is going to improve your life overall. Like not even just in working out and stuff, like in actual real life, it's gonna help you. So knowing that your mind quits before your body quits is something that is so important. Push through it. Like sometimes if you got 3 seconds left, push yourself past that 3 seconds, and you'll be surprised that like each time you'll be getting a lot better. Knowing that too, also know your limits. If it's just like, I'm out of breath, so like you're gonna be out of breath a lot in your life. Like I get out of breath from going up the stairs sometimes. So just because I can't breathe doesn't mean I'm gonna stop. Anyways, I hope these tips helped you, and if they did, please like this video and subscribe. I am now at 320 subscribers, so thank you all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed these fitness tips, working out with me, blah blah blah. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna call this yet, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.